Preposition. Preposition is a word that used before a noun, pronoun or a gerund. Why we are using this preposition? To show the relationship of a person or a thing. Okay. So kinds of preposition. There are 4 kinds of prepositions are there. What are the 4 kinds of preposition? Simple preposition, compound preposition, group preposition, and participle preposition. Simple preposition, already we know that it is a simple preposition, usually formed by fixing of a preposition, that is at, by, in, of. All these things are known as simple preposition. Kavisri, Kavisri.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, compound preposition. What do you mean by compound preposition? Compound preposition is usually formed by fixing a preposition to a noun or adjective. Compound preposition, from the word itself we can understand that it's a combination of a noun with a preposition, or an adjective with a preposition, or an adverb with a preposition. Such kind of prepositions are known as compound prepositions. Okay, for example, around, before, behind, beneath. So with the fixing a preposition, either A or B. A or B, B means BE should be prefixing before a preposition. Suppose around, in that round we fix A, so around, that becomes a compound preposition. Next, midst, in between, in the prefix we are A, so we got amidst is a compound preposition. Likewise, okay, beside, between, beyond, all this comes under compound preposition. Next one is phrasal or group preposition. What is phrasal or group preposition? Group na combination of 1 or 2 or more words in a preposition. For example, in addition to, because of, in case of, in spite of, on behalf of, along with, comparison to, for the sake of, in order to. All these things are known as phrasal prepositions. The fourth one, participle preposition. That is with ing preposition. Pending, regarding, during, bearing, concerning, passing, considering. All these things comes under what is preposition, children? Can any what is preposition? So I will say preposition is a group of words placed before a noun, pronoun, or a gerund. Okay, got it. So there are different classes of preposition. First we saw kinds of preposition. What are the kinds of preposition? There are 4 kinds of preposition. Next, classes of preposition. There are 2 classes of preposition. First one. Sorry, there are 3 classes of preposition. Preposition of time and date, preposition of place, and preposition of travel and movement. So there are 3 classes of preposition. How many classes of prepositions are there? There are 3 classes of preposition. Preposition of time and date, preposition of place, preposition of travel and movement. Okay. So next, position of preposition that we can discuss in the next class. Up to this we can write today. You write the heading preposition. Grammar topic 3. Prepositions. Getting better, everyone?